Hi everybody, this is the Nissan Pathfinder. It's got a bold new look, more power, more room, more capability, and more advanced tech. Being a Nissan, it's also got a lot of smart solves built in. Let's check them out. If you're planning an adventure, the first question is, can I get there? So Nissan spec'd the Pathfinder to take on just about anything. Under the hood is a powerful V6, backed with tech that tackles the terrain and lets you bring all the toys. And to make sure Pathfinder can handle your adventures, Nissan engineers tested it in some of the most challenging places on the planet, like Michigan's freezing Upper Peninsula, to test its grip on snow and ice, the burning hot Arizona desert, and some of the most rugged off-roading spots in Moab. Getting where you're going? Solved. Pathfinder's not just an off-road beast. It's got brains too, like a power tailgate. You just have to kick underneath the bumper to get it open. Perfect when your hands are full, but a lot of these tailgates can be fussy. You have to do it just right. Nissan made it easier. Just about any leg motion will work. Nice. Nissan gives you this cool trunk in a trunk, a storage bin under the floor. It's perfect for wet and muddy gear. It's even easy to clean. It's even a smart place to keep valuables out of sight. Game day? You've got room for up to 8. So if the team needs a ride, no problem. But not all SUVs are created equal. Nissan designed the rear cargo space specifically to fit one of these monsters. Big road trip? Nissan's got you. Check out how easy this is. Just drop down the third row. And you can carry all these bags. Drop the second row and look what fits. Notice how flat the walls are. No wheel wells poking out. They're maximizing every inch of space. They even carpeted these areas to keep your cargo area from looking like a beat-up truck bed. And you've got 4 tie-downs, built right into the wall to help keep cargo from sliding around. Great when you're doing that big DIY project or just getting that big screen home. Nissan even maxed out the storage up front. Check this out. This is a great place to keep things like tissues, gloves, or small bags out of the way, but still within reach. What about loading everyone in? Most SUVs let you in without a key, but you have to unlock the front door first, no matter which door you want. On Pathfinder, the rear doors feature their own remote unlock button. Just grab it and you're in. The rear doors open wide. And if you've ever had to put in a child seat, you know how helpful this is. So Nissan invented EasyFlex that lets you do this with a single touch, even with a child seat in place. It also works great to let you out of the third row. Playdates? Pathfinder now has EasyFlex on both sides, and there's a latch anchor in the third row for a child seat too. And if you have second row bench seating, you can even mount a child seat in the middle, which leaves room for adults on either side. Also new for Pathfinder are these second row captain's chairs. Super comfortable. Nissan even reshaped the front row seat backs to give you more legroom. So, stretch out. There's a convenient center console, great for gaming devices, headphones, and snacks. And you can take it out with one hand. No tools required. Just cruise through to the third row. Nissan made sure everyone isn't just comfortable, they're connected too. You can DJ from literally any seat with wireless Apple CarPlay. This is really cool. I send it from my phone, and it goes here. And have you ever seen gauges do this? Tech exactly where you want it. Capable, comfortable, and loaded with smart solves, the Pathfinder is more than ready for adventure. Are you?